Hello friends, welcome to the world of discrete mathematics with me Kunal Airi on my YouTube channel. Here we are going to learn about the concepts of discrete mathematics.
With a new example related with cardinality of finite sets. Among 130 students 60 स्टडी मैथमेटिक्स, तो यहाँ पे मैथमेटिक्स का सेट हम लोग m कंसिडरेशन करें, 51 स्टडी फिजिक्स, यहाँ पे हम लोग p कंसिडरेशन करें, 30 स्टडी बोथ मैथमेटिक्स एंड फिजिक्स, यानी ये दिस वन इज द इंटरसेक्शन. आउट ऑफ 54 स्टूडेंट्स स्टडिंग केमिस्ट्री, सो यहाँ पे सेट हम लोगों को कंसिडरेशन करना है c. 26 study mathematics, that is the intersection between chemistry and mathematics. 21 study physics, means intersection between chemistry and physics. 12 study both mathematics and physics, means intersection between mathematics, physics and chemistry. All the students studying neither mathematics nor physics are studying biology. So first one we have to find out how many are studying biology. Second one, how many not studying chemistry are studying mathematics but not physics. And the third one, how many students are studying neither mathematics nor physics nor chemistry. So first we have to find out how many are studying biology. Now see the last statement, that is all the students are studying neither mathematics nor physics are studying biology. Means यहाँ पे ऐसे लोग बायोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हैं जो फिजिक्स और मैथमेटिक्स नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. So first we have to find out M union P. So that is M union P. So by using mutual inclusion principle, what is M union P? That is number of M plus number of P minus number of M intersection P. Now here M be the set for what? Mathematics, right? Now second consideration करना हम लोगों को, that is a P. P stand for physics. और थर्ड सेट जो रहेगा आप लोगों का, that is the chemistry. For क्या रहेगा ये? For the chemistry we have to consider as a C. So first we have to find out M union P, because of यहाँ पे M union P find out करना है, और इसको हम लोग अगर 130 स्टूडेंट में से अगर रिमूव कर रहे हैं तो वी गेट द फर्स्ट आंसर, दैट इज हाउ मेनी आर स्टडिंग बायोलॉजी, बिकॉज ऑफ all the students studying neither mathematics nor physics are studying biology. So first we have to find out number of M. So what is number of M? 60 study mathematics. So number of M is equal to 60. Now number of P is equal to 51 and M intersection P is equal to 30. So therefore by using mutual inclusion principle, M union P is equal to number of M plus number of P minus number of M intersection P. Now put the all values, that is 60 plus 51 minus 30. After calculation we get this one is a 81. So 81 students are studying physics or mathematics. Now here we have to find the number of students studying neither mathematics nor physics. because of ये find out करके हम लोगों को क्या मिलने वाला है? number of students who studying biology. So therefore by using A complement is equal to U minus A. So by using this property of what? Property of complement. Therefore here we get number of M, that is union P complement, is equal to number of U minus M union P. Now put the value, that is 130 minus 81, so is equal to 49. तो यहाँ पे M union P complement क्या है? Neither mathematics nor physics. So this 49 is nothing but the number of students are studying biology. So this is the first answer. Let's consider the Venn diagram. Now here we have to find out the number of students not studying chemistry are studying mathematics but not physics. So means let's consider this is the set M. Okay, this one is the set M for mathematics, right? This is the set P and this is the set for chemistry. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स फाइंड आउट करने जो सिर्फ मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ रहे हैं और फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री नहीं पढ़ रहे. सो कौन सा पोर्शन आने वाला आप लोगों का, दिस पोर्शन, राइट. दिस shaded portion is nothing but the number of students who studying mathematics nor physics nor chemistry. This region. Now this shaded portion is nothing but the students who studying mathematics but neither chemistry nor physics. So here we have to find out, that is M intersection P complement intersection C complement. ओके, ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने एक एग्जाम्पल में सेम कंसेप्ट स्टडी किया है. तो इसका फॉर्मूला जनरेट क्या होता है, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ M माइनस M इंटरसेक्शन P माइनस M इंटरसेक्शन C देन प्लस M intersection C intersection P. Okay, this is the formula. Now put the values one by one. Is equal to, what is the value of M, that is a 60. Then M intersection P is equal to 30. Then M intersection is equal to 26, and the intersection between all, that is a 12. So after calculation we get, that is a 16. So 16 students are studying mathematics but neither chemistry nor physics. Now the third condition, that is how many students are studying neither mathematics nor physics nor chemistry. Means here we have to find out M union P union C complement, that is neither maths nor physics nor chemistry. Again by using the formula U minus M union P union C. Again कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी यूज होने वाला है आप लोगों का, दैट इज A complement is equal to U minus A, same property. So what is U? U is equal to 130. So 130 minus within the bracket M union P union C. So here we have to use the mutual inclusion principle for this term, right? इस term के लिए हम लोगों को mutual inclusion principle use करना है. So this is equation number first. Now M union P union C is equal to, by using mutual inclusion principle, number of M plus number of P plus number of C minus M intersection C minus M intersection P, then minus P intersection C plus M intersection P intersection C. So is equal to, now put the values one by one. Number of M is equal to 60. So 60 plus number of P is equal to, that is 51, plus 54, that is number of chemistry, then minus 30 minus 26 minus 21, then after that plus 12. ओके, सो ये जो आंसर आने वाला है हम लोगों को, वी हैव टू ऐड इन इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट, राइट. सो ये टोटल आंसर आता है आप लोगों का आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन. हियर वी गेट 100. ओके, सो पुट दिस वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सो देयरफॉर M union P union C complement is equal to, number of U is equal to 130 and M union P union C is equal to what, 100. So what is the last answer, that is 30. So 30 students are studying neither mathematics nor physics nor chemistry. Let's see the next example. In a survey of 500 TV, so 500, that is nothing but universal set, 285 watch football, 195 hockey, 115 baseball, 45 watch football and baseball, intersection between football and baseball, 30 watch football and hockey, intersection between football and hockey, 50 watch hockey and baseball, intersection between hockey and baseball, and 50 do not watch any of the three games. Any of the three games means, that is F complement intersection B complement intersection H complement. What we have to find? How many in the survey watch all the 3 games? So let's consider, यहाँ पे हम लोग 3 sets consideration करने वाले हैं. That is F football. Okay, this one is for football. Now next one H consideration होगा for hockey. And the third set is for baseball, that is a B. So this one is for not baseball, that is a basketball. Okay, now these are the 3 set. Now first the given data, number of F is equal to 285. Now after that number of H is equal to 195. Number of B is equal to 115. F intersection B is equal to 45. Then next value, that is F intersection H is equal to 70. Then H intersection B is equal to 50. And the universal set again, वो क्या रहेगा universal set? That is capital U or capital X is equal to 500. And one more value, that is 50 do not watch any of the 3 games. Do not watch means F complement intersection B complement intersection H complement is equal to 50. So this is the given data. Now here we have to find out first one, that is number of people who watch all the 3 games. All the 3 games means we have to find out F intersection H intersection B. So ये value हम लोगों को find out करना है, right? So given data, that is F complement intersection B complement intersection H complement. By using De Morgan's law, we can write it as F union B union H complement. Okay, so what is the given? F complement intersection B complement क्या value दिया है यहाँ पे 50, right? So this is equation number first. So ये कौन सा law है हम लोगों का? De Morgan's law. So this is the De Morgan's law. Now इसके ऊपर से हम लोग union find out कर सकते हैं. That is F union B union H is equal to universal minus, right? यहाँ पे universal हम लोगों ने consideration क्या किया? यहाँ पे universal हम लोगों ने consideration किया, that is a x minus F union B union H complement. Now put the value here. We get 500 minus 50 is equal to 450. So ये आपका union मिलने वाला है, right? Put this value in mutual inclusion exclusion principle. So that is F union B union H is equal to number of F plus number of H plus number of B minus F intersection H minus F intersection B, then minus H intersection B plus F intersection H intersection B, right? ये आपका कौन सा प्रिंसिपल आता है? म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल. Now put all the values. Now put all the values. F union H union B is equal to 450 is equal to number of F 285 plus number of H 195 plus number of B 115, F intersection H, that is 70, F intersection B 45, H intersection B 50, and then plus F intersection H intersection B, जो ये वैल्यू हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन वी गेट F intersection H intersection B is equal to, we get 20. So 20 number of people who watch all the 3 games. Now the second condition, number of people who watch only football. So consider this one as a football. Okay, now consider this set as a hockey and consider this one as a baseball. Now this is the for baseball. So what do we have to find? Number of people who watch only football. Who watch only football means we have to find out this portion, the shaded portion. So this is the shaded portion. ये portion हम लोगों को find out करना है. What is the formula? So here we have to find out only football means F intersection H complement intersection B complement, right? और इसके लिए already formula हम लोगों ने last example में भी देखा है. That is number of F minus number of F intersection B minus number of F intersection H plus F intersection H intersection B. Now put all the values. We get 285 minus 45 minus 70 and then plus 20. So we get 190. So 190 number of people who watch only hockey. Now the next topic of set is a multiset. Now multiset is a generalization of a set. For example, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट्स आपका ऑकर होगा मोर देन वंस. एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लोग कंसिडरेशन करें तो कलेक्शन ऑफ बुक्स इन लाइब्रेरी कैन कंटेन द मल्टीपल कॉपीज ऑफ द सेम बुक. सच कलेक्शन इज नथिंग बट द मल्टीसेट. जहाँ पे अगर हम लोग सी का बुक कंसिडरेशन करें तो सी का एक ही कॉपी के एक ही ऑथर के मल्टीपल कॉपीज वहां पे अवेलेबल रहते हैं. सो उसको हम लोग निग्लेक्ट नहीं करते. सो वी हैव टू कंसीडर ऑल द वैल्यूज. सो ये एग्जांपल आपका मल्टीसेट का होता है. सो मल्टीसेट इज एन अनऑर्डर कलेक्शन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स वेयर एन एलिमेंट ऑकर्स एज मेंबर more than once. More than once, and for example, if you consider A is equal to like this 1 1 2. So 1 appear how many times? 2 times. So this is nothing but the multiset, right? Set में क्या करते हैं हम लोग? Repeated element है तो we have to consider only once. But multiset में हम लोग repetition consideration करते हैं. तो इस तरह से हम लोग curly bracket में भी mention करते हैं. Otherwise हम लोग square bracket में mention करते हैं like this. Okay? So hence multiset is a set in which elements are not necessarily distinct. For example, this is the example 1 1 1 2 2 3, otherwise 2 2 3. That is the repetition of elements, right? How many times? 3 times. यहाँ पे 1 कितने times repeat हो रहा है आप लोगों का? 3 times. 2 2 times. So this set is considered as a multiset. Let 1 1 A is equal to 1 1 1 2 2 and 3. So 1 appears how many times? 3 times. 2 appears how many times? 2 times, right? And 3 appears 1 times. Multiplicity of an element, number of times elements appear in the multiset. Multiplicity यानी क्या रहेगा कि आपका नंबर कितने टाइम्स मल्टीसेट में आप लोगों का रिपीटेशन हो रहा है. So that is a multiplicity of an element. Now cardinality. Cardinality means क्या रहेगा? Number of elements in the मल्टीसेट. अगर नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन मल्टीसेट हम लोग कंसिडरेशन करें, लेट कंसिडर एग्जांपल A is equal to 1 1, सेम एग्जांपल 2 2 and 3. सो व्हाट इज द कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ A? दैट इज अ 3. कार्डिनलिटी के लिए ये 1 जो हम लोग है उसको 1 कंसिडरेशन करता है एज अ 1 एलिमेंट. 2 2 के लिए भी एज अ 1 एलिमेंट और ये 1 एलिमेंट. सो व्हाट इज द कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ A? दैट इज नथिंग बट द 3. लेट A is equal to 1 1 1 2 2 3. B is equal to 1 1 4 3 3. Then union of multiset. Union यानी क्या रहेगा? Elements belongs to A और elements belongs to B. तो elements belongs to A यहाँ पे कौन कौन सा रहा है आप लोगों का? 1 1 1. How many times repeated? 3 times. और यहाँ पे 1 1 कितने times हो रहा है? 2 times. So you have to consider ये जो repetition हो रहा है 2 times का, ये 1 और यहाँ पे ये 1 1. तो ये 1 1 आप लोगों का सेम 1 1 ही रहेगा, right? Now after that इसके लिए रिपीटेशन कोई नहीं है थर्ड वन के लिए. So I have to consider as a single element. After that 4 2 2 and 3 3. So A union B is equal to what? 1 1 1 4 2 2 3 3. Now intersection. Intersection means what? Common elements from the set A and B. तो यहाँ पे common element from A and B कौन सा रहा है? 1 1 repeated 2 times B में हो रहा है और यहाँ पे 3 times हो रहा है. तो we have to consider only 2 times. और second element जो repeat हो रहा है that is nothing but the 3. So A intersection B, we get a 1, 1, 3. Now difference. Difference means what? A minus B. So where multiplicity of element in A less multiplicity of element in a B. If negative, then the multiplicity is a 0. So A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. B is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6. Then A minus B is equal to 1, 5. Because of यहाँ पे A how many times repeat हो रहा है? 3 times और यहाँ पे 2 times. So एक आपका यहाँ पे remaining रहेगा. All the element of A do not belongs to B. So 2 2 repeat हो रहा है 2 times. तो वो भी आप लोगों का omit हो जाएगा. 3 repeat हो रहा है 1 time तो वो भी omit हो जाएगा. 4 2 times है B में 2 times है वो भी omit हो जाएगा. So remaining value we get a 1, 5. Now sum of A and B. So is where multiplicity of an element is the sum of multiplicities in the set A and set B, that is A plus B. Let's consider an example. A is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4. So we get A plus B is equal to, so total elements यहाँ पे हम लोगों को consideration करना है A और B के. So 1 कितने times आ रहा है A में? 2 times, B में 1 time. तो कितना आप लोगों का addition में आएगा यहाँ पे? 3 times. 2 कितने टाइम्स हो रहा है अगेन? 3 टाइम्स. 3 कितने टाइम्स हो रहा है? 2 टाइम्स. और देन लास्ट वन इज अ 4, दैट इज अ A plus B.
If you like my video, then like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the more videos related with the discrete mathematics, don't forget to click on the bell icon button.